Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro, today with 2015 Hyundai i40 stock number 6962. It's ran from the 9th 2011 to the 2nd 2015. It's a D4FD 1.7 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1.7 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 16-inch factory magnet tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door has a crease. Left rear door 1 dent. Left rear 16-inch factory magnet tyre. Left hand taillight, light sun cracks. Rear tailgate. Right hand taillight. Right rear 16-inch factory magnet tyre. Right rear door 2 dents. Right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror has some peeling. Right front guard. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 16-inch factory magnet tyre. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.